Jathom, nice, welcome. All the products on the top. I have lots of products, so if anyone's interested in personal breaks after this live group break, let me know. All the prices are very fair and low compared to online. Thorn. Is there another GT Psycho 24? Oh, there you go. Okay. Jathom, got it. So we have 2 people in here so far. Hopefully we get a couple more. There's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a total of 10 people in this break. Some people bought multiple spots, some people bought 1 spot. So we want to make sure everyone's on here before we start. And we will be breaking Topps Fire. We got 10 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packs of Topps Fire. We got 2 packs of Donruss Baseball and 1 pack of the Fire from 2017. And the surprise for everyone is that I'm going to throw in an extra cool pack into it. So I'm going to throw in a Optic Fat Pack. So hopefully someone hits a Vladdy. 16 cards. That's going to be the freebie for you guys. All cards will be penny sleeved. Not all cards will be top loaded. Top loading will go on like good cards, obviously, and everything will be shipped out tomorrow. I feel like hopefully everyone is in here now. You guys want to wait a couple more minutes for everyone, or you guys are okay to start? It's up to the people that are in here. I don't want to hold you guys back anymore, so I want to start the random. Whoever's not in here, they can check it on YouTube. So I just need a few thumbs up and we will start the break. And like I said, if anyone wants personals, we have some cool personals. We have lots of boxes, lots of packs. So everyone, cool. Thomas, I'm not sure what your username is, Thomas, but hopefully you're in this break. Alright, here we go. Thumbs up. Perfect. So we got everyone's thumbs up. Let's start. We're going to start first by showing everyone some heavy metal. Heavy metal, awesome. You're here as well. Perfect. God of War. I'm not sure if you're in here, you have the most spots, but let me just go through everything really fast. Here we go. So we have every single baseball team right here. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to first do the dice roll. Dice roll. And good luck, everyone. Hey, Caleb. Dice roll. Boom. 6 and 6 is 12. We're going to go 12 times on the dice roll. For the teams, so get all the teams are in here, right there. We're going to go 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was 9. This is 10. This is 11. And this is 12. 12 times. We have the New York Mets all the way down to the Pittsburgh Pirates. Anyone see the Andrew McCutcheon photo? That was that Topps card. That's pretty cool. We're going to put that in. And now we're going to get everyone's names. So I'm just going to go over the names. wwumor, bigallen, kebr, bigallen, Jerome, heavy metal, robmal, mrcj, jeraps, jeraps, natgr times 4 spots, bragora times 3 spots, godofwar 7 spots, and J 1 spot. I'm going to put those names in here. I'm going to roll the dice again. 4 and 4 is 8. We're going to go 8 times. Eight times on the names. Yeah, Caleb, we'll be doing personals on baseball. And yes, there's actually a huge, just for the people in here, there's a huge baseball break. Let's randomize it 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 times, guys. 8 times. We have robmal all the way down to J. Add that to the list. So I'm not gonna read this right now. I'm just gonna put this into the description so you guys can all see that in the YouTube. It's robmal with the Mets all the way down to J with the Pittsburgh Pirates. So let me copy this really fast and put this into the YouTube so you guys can all see that. Let me put that in there right now for you guys. I just added that to description. Make sure, can I get a thumbs up that everyone sees that so you guys don't have to look into it too hard? So just give me a thumbs up and then we will start. That you guys all see the list, and I can just read it down for you as well. robmal, New York Mets. I'm going to actually do it in order of the people, so I'll let you guys know right now. 1 second. Okay, bigallen, you have the Washington Nationals and the San Francisco Giants and the St. Louis Cardinals. bragora, you have the Rangers, the Padres, and the Orioles. godofwar, you have the Red Sox, the Rays, the Phillies, the Atlanta Braves, the Miami Marlins, and the Houston Astros, and the Oakland Athletics. Heavy metal, you have the Seattle Mariners. J, you have the Pittsburgh Pirates. Jathom, you have the Milwaukee Brewers. Jeraps, you have the Yankees, the Reds, the Dodgers. kebr, you have the Arizona Diamondbacks. mrcj, you have the Chicago Cubs, the Angels, the Cleveland Indians. natgr, you have the White Sox, the Tigers, the Blue Jays, the Twins. Robmal, you have the Mets and the Rockies. And vwumor, you have the Kansas City Royals. Awesome. Just everyone give me a thumbs up and we will start the break. Because for some reason I don't see I can't see any chat in here. On my end at least. I can see the chat coming in. So just give me a few thumbs up and let me know, we'll start. And this is the free pack, guys. Awesome. Cool. Let's start. And can you guys want to have a preference on what you guys want to open first, since you guys are in here? What would you guys like to open first? 2019 baseball, 2017 baseball, 2019, or 2019? Optic, Donruss, Fire 17, or Fire 18? Let me know what you guys want to open first. Sounds good. The free one. One vote for the free one. Here's the free one right here. Let's open it. Well, this was the extra. This was like an extra gift that I was just surprised everyone with. This was not part of the break. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. German Marquez, Rockies. Terry Mancini, Baltimore. Whit Merrifield, Kansas City Rays. Kansas City Royals, my apologies. Tyler O'Neill, St. Louis Cardinals. Michael Conforto. Felix Hernandez. Corbin Burns, Hollow. Darkin Mark Hernandez. Max Scherzer, Octa King, that's nice. Very nice card. Oops. Okay, we'll go Donruss next. Reese McGuire. Nice. Illusions, Corey Seager, Dodgers. Nice card. Danny Jansen, Toronto Blue Jays. Luis Arvino, Yankees. Corey Kluber, Indians. Williams Astradillo rookie. This guy's actually a really good rookie. Minnesota Twins. And Steven Duggar, San Francisco Giants. Very nice cards. Next, you guys said the Donruss. I'll be opening the Donruss now. Empty boxes. Here we go with the Donruss. Good luck, everyone. So I was saying the next baseball break is going to be a crazy one. It features 24 boxes, 1,000 total cards. I'll put that in. There's a link on. I'll put a link up in a little bit. Matt Carpenter. Eric Haas, Cleveland Indians, rookie. Kevin Pillar, Toronto Blue Jays. Tanner Rainley, Cincinnati, rookie. Mr. Shohei Ohtani. Trevor Oaks, Kansas City. Willie Adams, Tampa Bay Rays. Andres Victorino. Jackie Bradley Jr. To speed up the process, I'm just going to go through the cards. I'm not going to read everyone's names. Angels, Toronto Blue Jays rookie, Zach Greinke. Robinson Cano, super nice. Look how nice this card is. Beautiful card. I'll let you know right now how much that break is. Brett Kennedy rookie, very nice. James Paxton throws a no-hitter. Highlights, very nice card. Collegiate national team. This will go to whatever major league team he's on right now. Reds. Pirates. JD Martinez. Chris Bryant. Interesting. For the Chris Bryant card, they just have a KB on his name. Pretty interesting. Max Muncy. Brandon Lowe. Rookie. Jose Altuve. Hunter Renfroe. Padres. Adrian Beltre. Kershaw, rookie, nice cards. Jonathan Davis, rookie. Lots of rookie cards. Walker Buehler. Lots of rookies. I'm excited for the baseball season to start. I'm sure you guys are as well. Caleb Ferguson, Dodgers. Everyone's still on here. Hears me well, just making sure. Detroit. Angels. Trevor Story. Wow. Very nice. Dodgers. Manny Machado. What a beautiful card. The 1,000 card break is $18.99 a spot. Justin Verlander, Blake Snell, Kebr, Mike Moustakas, Mick, Adam Jones, Daniel Placaya, Yadier Molina, Minnesota, Jose Ramirez, Bryce Harper, Matt Chapman, Anthony Rizzo, John Lackey, Adrian Beltre, Ronald Acuna, rookie, another Manny Machado for the Dodgers, Jeremy Jeffries, Witt, Shane, Cedric Mullins, Baltimore Orioles, Steven Strasburg, and Corey Kubler. What do you guys want to open up next? Let me know. The Topps Fire or the Let me know, guys, what you guys want to open up next. The Fire, or just, can someone just give me a thumbs up to make sure that you guys are in here? Just let me know, guys. I guess I'll start with these packs right here. Atlanta, Colorado, Cardinals, Minnesota, Washington. This is numbered 10 of 99, 10 of 199. Mr. Chapman, Ward, and a blank card. Colorado, St. Louis, Detroit, Arizona. Nice. Ty Cobb and Bryce Harper. We're going to random that off to Detroit or Philly. Corey Kluber, 124 of 199. Miguel Cabrera. Gallo, Soto, very nice cards. Walker Buehler, very nice. Nice, Vlad Jr. rookie card. Rookie, Kluber. Nice, Derek Jeter, the captain. Very nice one. Soto. These cards are super nice, actually. Very nice cards. Rookie, Soto. Yadier Molina. Very beautiful cards. Robinson Cano. Molina. Kershaw. Aaron Judge. Chris Bryant, Houston Astros, Balotelli, Kershaw. Nice. Color match Juan Soto. Super nice card. Freddie Freeman. Chris Sale. Freeman. Very nice. Cody Bellinger, orange to 299. One of the best third basemen in baseball right now, Corey Kluber, Bryce Harper, Mario Harper. Very nice. Of 299, orange. Cole, Judge, Hosmer, Yasiel Puig, Cano, Ken Griffey Jr., Hosmer, German Marquez, Mr. Mike Trout, Marte, Padres, Tatis Jr. Padres, David Ortiz, Hedges, and Fletcher. Oh, this is going to go to the Phillies because Bryce is a Philly and he finished his career at the Phillies. Philadelphia Athletics. Last box right here. We're going to open that up and then I'm going to organize everyone's cards and ship them out. And if anyone's interested in buying anything from any personals, please let me know. Okay, good luck everyone. Let's go. Those fire cards are actually really nice. I really like them now. Yankees, White Sox, Braves, Detroit, Yankees, the Rays, Seattle, Cleveland, Pittsburgh. Wow, that is nice. Frank Thomas, Chicago White Sox, super nice card. Mets and Red Sox. Whoops. That was the charger for the phone. We have Mark McGwire with the A's, Cardinals, Jim Edmonds, Paul Konerko, the White Sox. Another gold, super nice, Justin Verlander with Detroit. Wilson Contreras, Max Scherzer with the Nationals. Rookie, Tom Glavine with the Braves. White Sox rookie, gold, Alexander Bogaerts, Boston, super nice card, congrats. Yankees and Cubs. I really like this Topps Fire for some reason. The cards are just really nice. George Brett, Cardinals, numbered to 199. Green, Houston Astros rookie, super nice. Joe Musgrove, Pittsburgh, Jackie Bradley Jr., Boston, and Yu Darvish. Tyler Austin, Yankees rookie. Edgar Renteria, used to love Edgar Renteria when he was on the Marlins. Nice, numbered 110 of 299 to the Dodgers. Corey Seager, wow, what a nice card. Beautiful card, Corey Seager. Alexander Bogaerts, Francisco Lindor, Zach Britton. Manny Margot, rookie. Dennis on the Oakland Athletics. Robert on the Mets, rookie. Gold, the Goose for the Yankees, very nice. Kenta Maeda and David West. Wade Davis for the Cubs. Sorry about that. 4 exclusive gold minted base parallel cards. This is the last pack. Good luck. Justin Upton, Detroit. Danny Duffy, Kansas City. Rookie, Chicago Cubs. Rob Zazansky. And rookie, Colorado Rockies, Tapia. Very nice cards. I like the cards because of the glare and the thunder, and it's like fire. All the cards will be getting penny sleeved and top loaded. That concludes the break. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you guys' support. There's going to be a 1,000 card break that is on eBay right now. It's 24 boxes, huge packs, a whole bunch of stuff. Bowman 2020. Check that out. I'll add that in the description, and thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Now, personals, if anyone's interested in personals, please message and let me know.